channel. My name is Niharika and it's your Niharika, Korean girl, yay! So today what I'm doing today I'm showing you my BTS haul, Korean haul, everything which I have. I have like a whole like a section of my Korean and BTS things which I want to show you again. I think again means I have like individual videos like albums and everything, food, but in this video I want to show you everything right now if you forgot what I have and what I don't have it. So let's go and show you. Let's go. Let's go. So the first thing is this box. I bought two like coffees, like BTS coffees in this. So and I really love this box and I have it because it's written BTS, so that's why I really love it. So that's why I love it. I really like it. I really want to like have it, this one. Then another things, it's not the Korean, but I will show you. This is the H&M thing which I have, and this I have the like the fan, like the Tokyo like Chinese, not Chinese, like fan which we have. Like, oh my god, बिजली की रानी मैं हूँ आई, कहते हैं मुझको हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई. So it's a thing which I have, this one, and I have two nail pins of H&M, and this face wash. Now that I will use it now I have shown you, and I will tell you after. I will show you video what I have to say about this, and I really want to use it, and I will show you this to use it, like to use it, and will tell you. Okay, hey guys, so this is my face wash which I was telling you about. Stress relieving, repeat your day, pure, full, cleansing, firm, refreshing. So I'm in my washroom, my bathroom. So first dye your hair. As you see, I have my lip shade on. So first open it. It's locked, so we will open it. Oh my god, it takes hour for me for that, but no, it has. Okay, so I've opened it, it's coming out. So I will take few and close it. Now the water is running. Now I will close the water. It's all pink. It smells a little bit good, but not that good. Take few more drops of water. Now we will wash it off. I will see on my mirror something. this wash it. Now I will take towel and gently do it. And I'm good to go. And open my hair. It's not wet, so it's great, but I will tie it up again. So my skin is feeling fresh. It's true, and literally it's my first time, but I really like it. Feel really refreshed. But let's see after a few days how it feel. But this was my tutorial of using this face wash. I hope you like it. So back to the video. Bye. The next thing which I got was this. It's from Upakura, and I don't know. I think it's the light box of the light stick, actually. Sorry, yes, it's the light stick which I have gotten, and I'm really happy to show you. I will not use it and show you, but yes, I will show you that oh my god, I have it. It's difficult. Yes, no, it's fine. One more thing I have in here is the card where from I get it, and it's the book. Oh my god, it's the book. It's the Love is Strong, the B21 book. The cells are also here if I want to use it and show you, but I have to upload the app. So it's the box, guys. It's the light stick box. I have it. Now I bring that thing. So it's the light box, guys. Oh my god, my cool box. And I have the straps of BTS. It's written ARMY, and it's the BTS. So this is the light stick. With light stick, what I have got is the official SC map of it's a menu, how to use it and everything, and it's BTS photo cards which I have, and the cover of the light stick. If you want to see this one, you can see my unboxing of the light stick which I have on my channel. So this was the thing. This was the light stick. Another I got from shopping. Go shopping and buy these clips of BTS from Koja, and this one, these BTS 21 things. I have got it. And the other thing which I got is this big box. It's really wonderful box. I literally like it. I don't have more things in here. No, I don't have. So this is the deco kit of BTS. Deco kit ARMY with our Universe ARMY and the BTS is here. Now I will open it. Open it. Is the BTS thing. The photo cards of BTS. And now I will open it, and it's now wonderful things. The the two tapes are here. The photo cards, sticker pack are here. More stickers are here, and the pad also, sticker pad is also here. The photo cards are also here, and the BTS stickers are also here. This is the BTS book is also here. It's like the BTS is here, like BTS members are here. So it's the thing. And another is the notebook of BTS. Its logo, and it has the purple lock, which I really love it. So these were the thing in this side, which I literally love it. I always want to use it, but I feel like, oh, if I get like wasted or what, I don't want to use it. It's so precious, so that's why I don't use it. I just keep them and just seeing them. But I really love it. Love these ones so much. Okay, the next thing which I have, these another big box. The base box. So what I have it is my first BE album, which I got of BTS, and I really love it. First I will show you the BE album, and I really love. So this is the BE album. I have like the photo card also in this. The all photo cards is in there. It's Jin. It's Jin. We are missing and Sosamaj and Suga and everyone. It's here, and the BE CD which we have. And what's more? Yes, the BE BTS photo card, whole photo sticker is also here. This was the bag which I was telling you about. It has really few things. It has these, which I really don't like it. Like it or don't like it, as it was like a medium. I will not say don't like it, but I like it. And but the ginger taste, it's really like sour. It's really sour, which I don't like, drink or eat ginger. So that's why it's really odd for me. But yes, it will, if you will drink it, it will make your body really good. But if you want to drink it, you can taste it. I have these crispy seaweed. I have finished one, but it was also have no taste. That's why it's really thing. And the other was these photo cards, which I have the BTS members. And next thing was this is also another album, and this album is the Bulletproof album, and I really love this album. Also, I love all the albums. I will not say one album, but I really love it. Love Yourself, everything. It was this. The CDs also here, 3 CDs. I have Sugar, and this is the the thing, and this is the album, and the photo cards I have. It's V, it's Jin, it's nothing, but it's the wallpaper thing. I don't it's the I don't get the word, guys. I don't know why I'm not getting that word, but it's this. I really love this one. Also, few sticker like the bandage and the mask and their written thing from them. And I got more, which I got was the rice mask face off. I don't know what is it. I will use it and will tell you. This is the bandage. It's really sweet. I will use and show you. And other things was these colors. I will use it today, this pink one, and I will show you the picture here also. And other is these listen one thing, it's the thing, it's the listen in this one also. It's radiancy cream. The cream is here, and this is the other color which I got. And this is candy which I got. These are the 12 face mask which I got. And other was this, the Jimin face album which I got it. And this is the let's open it. I will not show you what I have got in here because I don't do the unboxing. But yes, I have got these, and this is the album in here. Inside of this, the V-Wash album. It's really small and it's really pretty, and I really like it. If you open it, I have the albums and everything. I will not show you which member I got or everything. You have to see the unboxing of this album. But so this was the thing which I got. The thing which I got is these two drink Americano, and the other one is the espresso. So yes, this one was the thing of. But I will show you more few things which I have it, which is really sweet. I have these two things from Miniso. It's really cute, and the pen also. This pen, I have hearts on that, so it's really pretty. So these were the thing which I have from from BTS things, the albums, merch and everything. And oh, one most important thing, guys, which I have not show you. It's the BTS V. Can you guess what it is from BTS V? It's the stickers and the Upas which I have got. It's the artist made collection by BTS V. If you open it, I have these brooches which I will show you once again, and I have this letter from V. So I will open it and open it. I have V for the car, and this V making logo also, which is the most amazing thing which I have got it. And I really love the patches. It's really was, I have to collect money and give this. It was expensive, but yes, I have got these two patches which we have made it. I really like it. I love it so much. I really love it. If I go somewhere, I will put here and will show you. But yes, this is the box which I get it, and I really love that I have one of them. So I really love it, and the box is amazing. It's making some, the collection is making, so I really love it. So this was the thing which I have with me, and I really love it so much. So thank you so much, guys, for seeing my video of BTS and the BTS collections and the Korean collections and every collections. So thank you so much, guys. Bye, love you, bye.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정!